In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Google AdSense. So whether you are an affiliate or you have a YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you how you can get your hard-earned cash out of AdSense. Now, this can be a pretty tricky thing to navigate, so be sure to watch this video the whole way through to ensure you get your money and you don't end up losing it or anything like that. Now, that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first thing we need to do is we need to log into our AdSense account. So our AdSense account is linked to our Google. So you basically would sign into the Google account. Now you need to make sure you've set this up correctly, but that's not a video I'm making today. I'll make that in a different day if you'd like me to. So once you've actually logged into your AdSense account, we can go and have a look at how much money you have available. So we can go to AdSense for YouTube. And this is going to tell you our balance and our last payment. So it's going to tell you about the financial situation. Now, this is I'm going to show you sort of the payout dates and stuff here. So if you want to see how much you're making, it's going to tell you in your dashboard. And there's a ton of different things you can see here about, the money that you're making. But to actually withdraw it, you're going to have to come to payment info here. And you're going to want to ensure that you have all of your details set up correctly. So up here, you can see the amount that we've made. And down here is going to be where you add your different payment details. So this section here is the how you get paid section. And in here, you can add your bank account and stuff like that. Now, your payment schedule is going to be automatic. I mean, you can't manually withdraw the money from your account. You have to wait until they authorize it and do it themselves. Now, generally, you're going to get paid out between the 21st and the 27th of the month, I believe. Your amount that you're going to earn will be finalized around the 12th, I believe it is, between the 5th and the 12th is when you'll figure out and you'll get the money sent to your AdSense. And then around the 21st is when you're going to actually get that withdrawn into your bank account, which is what we want. So although you can't withdraw the money manually, you just have to wait for this date to happen. You want to make sure all your information is correct, like your taxes, your PIN on here, everything, so that you get the money promptly. But that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below this video helped. Thank you for watching.